Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have a new video. In this series we try to talk about JavaScript fundamentals and tutorials, and we try to answer questions that you may face in any interview that is related to JavaScript. If this sounds interesting for you, feel free, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. And yeah, let's start into it. So the question is this one, it will be quite fast. Maybe it will be 2 minutes video. What is Unary function? So Unary function in JavaScript is a function that takes exactly one argument, which is typically a single value or object. Unary functions are simple and common in many programming contexts. They perform operations or transformation on a single input value and produce a result based on that input. So let's just try to make a result example for it. So I'll create a function called a square, and I'm taking only one argument, and I'm returning this one square by it, and I'll create a result. It equals square of 5, which will be 25, sorry. And if I cancel the result, I guess I'll get 25. So in this example, the square function is an unary function because it accepts a single argument, which is x, and returns the square of that argument. Unary functions are often used for basic operation and data transformations and computations where only one input value is needed to produce a meaningful result. They are fundamental building block of JavaScript and programming in general. So in conclusion, unary function is a function that accepts exactly one argument, and it stands for single argument accepted by function. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video, and see you in future problems.